Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing these Starbucks secret menu drinks all over the internet and I think they're so cute, so I wanted to try to recreate them for my channel. I think they're perfect for summer. Whether you're sitting by the pool or you're having a little get together or you just want to sip one throughout the day, they're really easy and inexpensive to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients at all. And if you are making a bunch at once, it is super easy to make this in bulk. So these recipes are my recreation of the Starbucks drinks, so this isn't exactly how they make it. If I do find a link that does list the exact ingredients for the Starbucks version, I will leave that down below in the description. So now we're just going to jump right in. We're gonna start with the pink drink, and what you need for this one is some type of berry tea, and what I'll be using is a hibiscus berry tea. You will also need some coconut milk and some strawberries. So I know the one at Starbucks does come with acai in it, so you can add that as well if you would like. First, I'm going to make the tea so that it has time to cool. I did let the tea bag seep for about 5 minutes, and then I went ahead and added a few ice cubes in there while I prepped the rest of the drink. So now I'm going to take some strawberries and place that at the bottom of the cup and just begin mashing that so it gets all the juices and liquids out and it'll mix into our drink. And then you just want to add some ice right on top. And then all of these drinks are obviously based on personal preference on how much tea and milk and other ingredients that you want inside. I filled up about halfway with the tea and then the other halfway with the coconut milk, and then I added some more strawberries on top and mixed it up. You can also add some agave nectar or some type of sweetener inside if you would like. Now we're moving on to the green tea. So for this one you will need some matcha green tea. You can also use matcha powder, but I couldn't find that at the grocery, so I skipped that ingredient for this drink. And then you also need some coconut milk. So first I'm going to make the tea again so that it has time to cool. I'm going to put some ice in the cup. Then I added some of the green tea in there, coconut milk, and then this drink is complete. Moving on to the orange color drink. For this one you will need some tea, so I'm using mango passion tea, some coconut milk, and then some orange mango juice. So this is a little bit different from the other ones because you do have some juice in it. So the first step I'm going to do is make the tea and let that cool down. Then I'm going to add ice to the cup, then the tea, the juice, and the coconut milk. And just to add a little garnish, I did add some frozen mangoes right on top. Lastly, we're gonna make this lavender color drink. So for this one you will need blueberry tea, coconut milk, and some blueberries for the topping. So just like all the others, I'm making my tea first. Then I'm filling the cup with ice, then about halfway with the cooled off tea, and then the other half with coconut milk. I'm adding some muddled blueberries in there so that the juices can get into the drink just like we did with the strawberries. So this is how all 4 of them came out. I think they look aesthetically beautiful, but for the real test, I wanted to try them on camera and give you guys my real genuine reaction because I have never attempted to make these before. So here are all 4 of the drinks. I am obsessed with how they came out. I think they are so cute, and you can do all different types of combinations to make different colors. So let's start with the pink one. This is the hibiscus berry and strawberry one. Pretty good, but it does taste like it needs a little bit of sweetener in it, so I do recommend adding the agave to that and it would be perfect. And they do have flavored sweetener syrups as well, so if you did want to add like vanilla sweetener to these, then that would be a really good combination as well. Next up, I'm going to try the matcha green tea. I'm not a huge green tea fan, so if I don't like this one, it's not going to be out the ordinary. It's pretty good. It has a strong green tea flavor, so like I said, I don't really like green tea, so this one is not my favorite. But because I did add coconut milk to it, it does make a really good combination. It's not an overwhelming green tea flavor. Next up, I'm gonna try the blueberry one. I think I like how this one looks the best out of all of them, but that doesn't necessarily mean it tastes the best. So let's try blueberry. It honestly tastes like a blueberry muffin in a liquid form. That's so good. This one's really good as is. It doesn't need any type of sweetener in it. Lastly, I'm gonna try the orange one. This one is an orange mango flavor, and this is the one that does have juice in it, whereas the other ones don't. So let's see how it tastes. Wow. That's my favorite of all of them, 100%. Oh my god, it's so good. The juice really enhances the flavors. The other ones are a little bit more mild because it has the coconut milk in it, but because this one is half coconut milk, half juice, the flavor is a lot more there. So this one would be perfect for by the pool. It's really refreshing and tropical and delicious. And I love that it has a treat at the end, so when you're done drinking it, you have your topping to eat when you're finished, which is nice and cold and refreshing. So I definitely love these drink ideas. The next time I have people over, I'll have to make them because they are so good. And if you did want to make these an adult version, I recommend adding something like Bailey's or rum chata. Since these are a coconut milk base, I do think that those would mix perfectly with these. Look in the fridge.
Is that bubble tea?
Try them. Yeah, I made them. They're Starbucks knockoffs. Yeah, I did. I went to Starbucks and asked for 4 cups.
That sounds sketchy. What do you think this with?
You think I bought this many? You think I bought this many Venti's? Blueberry?
I like the way this one.
Green tea.
It tastes like green tea. What is this?
Strawberry. One? Pink drink.
Pink drink?
Hibiscus berry.
I like this one a lot.
And then the peach mango.
Oh, you can have those.
That's the best. That's the best one. Best one. So that is all for these DIY Starbucks secret item drinks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.